Transforming lives with AI, a look into the future. Our world is rapidly evolving, powered by innovative artificial intelligence tools. They're not just science fiction, they're here, transforming our reality. Imagine a world where your personal assistant isn't a person at all, but an AI tool, managing your schedule, reminders, even monitoring your health. The future is now, and it's incredibly convenient. Imagine a security system that learns and adapts to potential threats, incorporating facial recognition, anomaly detection, and more. With AI tools, home security is revolutionized. What about healthcare? AI tools assist in predicting diseases, personalizing treatments, and even assisting surgeries. The potential for enhanced healthcare is extraordinary. Even in education, AI tools are reinventing learning through personalized curriculums, 24/7 tutoring support, and interactive, immersive learning environments. Join us as we delve into the myriad ways AI tools are shaping our lives, revolutionizing our world now, and for generations to come.